Be finding it so hard or difficult on how to get tokens to buy for the bull run, or how to analyze. Some of us are not used to CoinGecko. We don't know how to navigate this CoinGecko app, neither CoinMarketCap. So in this video, I'm going to walk you around the app, show you how you can be able to do a little analysis. But if you can watch this video from the beginning to the end, I'm here to walk you around the app, show you how you can be able to pick out some coins you feel that it's okay, analyze it, then go ahead and buy it. Okay, CoinGecko is just like a marketplace where you come to search for potential coins. You feel that okay, analyze it, check out one or two things about the token or the coin before proceeding to any exchange of your choice to buy that very coin or token. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming around, for watching my videos. I don't take you guys for granted, and if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. This is one family. Okay, subscribe, comment, like, share, feel at home. All right, turn on the notification button so that each time I post through YouTube will always notify that yes, I've dropped an update for you guys. Okay, so to follow me, watch the video from the beginning to the end, as I said earlier before, so that you'll be able to understand what this video is all about. Okay, let's proceed. All right, if you check here, you have cryptocurrency. If you click there, you'll be able to see a lot of tokens, which BTC is number one in the list. Down. As I scroll down, can you see coins? Can you see them? To 25, 30. So we have so many thousands of tokens in this crypto space. One person cannot know all. Anybody that is telling you that I know all that he or she knows all the coins or tokens in this space is lying to you. Okay, don't mind. A lot of every seconds, every minute, developers are launching tokens. So there are a lot of tokens. Can you see? Even as I'm scrolling, the thing is still rolling. Okay, it's still rolling. Can you imagine? 130 something, 139. Can you see? WETH. There are so many of them. Check out under category here. Click on category. Okay, just click on category and hold on. You're going to see good. These are different categories of tokens. Different category. We have strategy games. We have ecosystem category. You have animal raising. You have for meme ecosystem. The rest of the liquidity stake, recruitment, game studio, parody memes. So in this number one, okay, this number one category token here, if you click on it, that is category games. Okay, like from here, from this local LOKE, check down as I scroll. Can you see? These are tokens. You can come here, make a good research, and choose the one to buy. From your research, you can now know which of them to buy. So that is it. If you go back again, check another category. You have a clinker ecosystem. Click on this clinker ecosystem category. The CoinGecko app. This is, you have Tom meme. If you click on this Tom meme category, click on it. To load, just calm down. Look at tokens under this category. There are so many. We have good potential. Some of them are good utilities that has liquidity. Okay, so there are so many. So let's move to the next one. NFT, not fungible token. That is NFT. You can use your picture self, the music you have, your pictures, convert them to NFT. So if you click on this NFT, if you click on this NFT, see a lot of tokens under this NFT. See from here down, let me keep going down. These are NFTs, mainly on Ethereum blockchain. I get to have CryptoPunk. It's a popular NFT we know in the market. Look at the floor price. I think $52.75. Okay, this is the 24 hours volume. In the past 24 hours, the token have done have skyrocketed up to 33%. Okay, we have Lil Chillas, we have Poggy, Bengu, we have Moonbears, we have Forward, we have other deed for outside, for other side. So that's, look at them, NFT, there are many. There are many. So this here, here, check out their price here. Check out their 24 hours volume. How many, how far they have been able to, they have gone in the past 24 hours. Either they have been able to skyrocket or they have been able to go down. So that's what 24 hours volume is talking about. Okay, let's go to the next one. That is exchanges. Exchanges. Click on these exchanges. We have over 300 exchanges. Click on it. You have over 300 exchanges, which Binance is the number one exchange in the world. We have over 300 exchanges. Let me scroll down. Can you see what? Can you see? Just be checking their figures, their numbers. As I'm scrolling, just be checking. This is 80 some, 90 something, 100 and something. So there are a lot of exchanges. We have over 300, more than 300 exchanges in this crypto space. Okay, want to search for a coin, click on this search engine here, or you click here up, whichever. I like going for the one up here. Let's assume we want to search for a coin called, let's say you want to search for a coin called bonk. Type it and allow it to load. Click the, can you see? Bonk is on Solana blockchain. It has appeared. Let me click on it. Don't hesitate to drop in the comment section. Okay, so this bonk now, this is the price of bonk. Okay, $0.0000287. In the last 24 hours, it has pumped 1.2%. Okay, look at the chart here. Let me see if I can zoom it. Let me scroll down. If I want to know more about this bump, you click here on this info. Check out their market design. Okay, let me scroll down. Network is bad on my own end. Let me type it again. Bank. Allow it to load. Okay. Can you see? Before, when I check it, few minutes ago it was, few seconds ago it was at 1.2%. Now it's at 1.3%. For you to say it's moving, it's skyrocketing. Are you seeing it? So if you come here, the last 24 hours, if you click here, see how many percent has moved to. Then if you come to 7 days ago, check out 7 days, you see how many it has been able to skyrocket to, or it has gone down to. You check out the 14 days, check out the 30 days, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 1 year ago. You see how far it has gone. Then you scroll down. I'm showing you how to do fundamental analysis on a project before you invest your money. This is the market cap of this bank. 2 billion market cap. Bank has 2 billion market cap. The fully diluted valuation is 2.4 billion also. Then looking at circulating supply, 77 billion. Then total supply, 88 billion. Maximum supply, 800, that's 88.2 billion. Okay, so added to watch list, number of person have added this to their watch list, about 109,000. So as I say, it's on Solana blockchain, mainly Solana projects. Okay, you can buy it on Solana blockchain. You can buy it on Ethereum blockchain. You can buy it on Aptos blockchain, EVM. This, if you want to buy it on Solana blockchain, if you want to buy this, they come and copy this. You just come to this copy center, copy the address, go and paste it to the wallet you want to buy it, and proceed from there. Okay, let me view more and so what is there. Click on view more. So research is, it always take time. You see it? You see it? Okay. Now 2 days ago, see this update concerning this bank. On 29th of July, see it there. Let's read what is written there. Bank records double digit decline. On July 29, bank experienced a double digit price fall. Do you hear that? Read this update. This update. Price fall. This decline coincided with a broader crypto market downturn as most altcoins retreated while Bitcoin price held steady. Okay, good. If you check out this information, it says bond price consolidated under key level. For those of us that know technical analysis, bond price, look at this update here. It says bond price consolidate under key level. For those of us that know technical analysis, it says bond price consolidate under $0.000041, holding anchored VWAP, that's VWAP support near 0.00032. The asset is currently trading within a tight sideways range. If you're not a technical analyst, you may not understand this English, okay? Yes. So I'm sure you have to carry out a good analysis on any token apart from bank. Any token you want to buy, just come and make the research on CoinGecko. Then if it's okay, you proceed to buy. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me stop here. If I have any question, drop it in the comment section. If I have learned something, drop it also in the comment section. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye.